Hello, good morning students. Welcome back your chemistry class. So today we'll be start with your new article in this unit that name of unit is state of matter, and the topic is today that is liquefaction of gases and critical temperature. Okay students, so today we'll be discuss about the critical temperature. What is the critical temperature? So in general way we state about the temperature above which cannot be liquefied gas. ऐसा टेम्परेचर जिसके ऊपर हम उस टेम्परेचर के अब जाके गैस को लिक्विफाई ना कर सकें अंडर द हाई प्रेशर्स के ऊपर, दैट इज बी कॉल्ड एज अ लिक्विड टेम्परेचर. So firstly we understand about the introductory part ki how to be understand about the liquefaction. So the liquefaction of gas takes place when the intermolecular forces of attraction become so high. Liquefaction of gases takes place when the intermolecular forces of attraction become so high and that they bind the gases molecules together to form the liquid state. क्या रहेगा हमारे पास? Liquefaction of gases when the intermolecular forces of attraction become so high. During this process, they bind up the gas molecules together and to form a liquid state. After that, the interaction forces, the intermolecular forces of attraction can be increased either by increase. They randomly increase the intermolecular forces by applying the pressure so that the molecules come close together, or by cooling the gas so that the kinetic energy of the molecules is decreases and they become slower. So a gas can be liquefied by cooling or by the application of pressure or the combined effect of both these two. Okay, so that's why here the critical pressure of a gas may be defined as the temperature above which it cannot be liquefied. However, higher pressure may be applied on the gas. Simply क्या रहेगा? When the intermolecular forces of attraction is become so high and they binds to the gas molecules together and to form the liquids. Okay, randomly to increase the pressure, and by increasing of pressure the intermolecular force of attraction increase and here the molecules come to closer, and after that they can be formed in the liquid state. So during this process the critical temperature of gas जो वहाँ पे एज ए टेम्परेचर रहेगा हमारे पास, during this temperature when the gas is converted into liquefied form. Okay, after that this above temperature which cannot be liquefied, that we called as a critical temperature. Similarly, critical temperature we as term second volume and critical pressure. So the pressure required to liquefy the gas at critical temperature is called critical pressure. During the liquefaction of gases to be required at a critical temperature, for this requirement to be apply the pressure, so this pressure we call as a critical pressure. So the pressure required to liquefy, the pressure required to liquefy a gas at the critical temperature is called critical pressure, and the volume occupied by 1 mole of the gas at the critical temperature and critical pressure. ड्यूरिंग द योर गैस क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर एंड क्रिटिकल प्रेशर के ऊपर जो भी हम कितने मोल ऑफ गैस हम यहाँ पे ऑक्यूपाइड कर रहे हैं. ओके, द वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाइड बाय 1 मोल ऑफ द गैस, तो हमने यहाँ पे कितना लिया है? वॉल्यूम ऑक्यूपाइड द गैस दैट इज 1 मोल. ड्यूरिंग दिस कंडीशन वी हैव कंसिडर इन योर क्रिटिकल टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर वी कॉल्ड एज अ क्रिटिकल वॉल्यूम, and all three collectively we called as a critical constant. They are generally represented by the abbreviation that is TC, VC and PVC. Okay, and here the critical constant for temperature that is 30.98 degrees Celsius, critical pressure that is a 73.9 atmospheric, and critical volume is 95.6 centimeter cube mole inverse, because here we consider in terms of mole of gas, that's why we here write in terms of mole. So this is about the critical temperature, and here the explanation about the critical temperature that is given by the Andrew experiment. So let's next topic that is related with critical temperature, and this experiment to be given by the Andrew for explanation about the critical temperature. So students, this is a Andrew experiment on critical phenomenon. So here the phenomenon is be undercover your, that is the pressure and volume. Okay, so that is Andrews be experiment in 1861, and that is the first study about the critical phenomenon. And here the using of gas, that is carbon dioxide, about the explanation of critical temperature. And if so here the study the effect of pressure on the volume of carbon dioxide at different constant temperatures. So during this graph formation, versus pressure and volume, and here the take your temperature, that is a constant. So the constant term used as a isotherm. So the plot is obtained are called isotherm. So students, firstly we take at a low temperature, that is your 13.1 degrees Celsius, that is very low temperature at a low pressure. So this is your low temperature of gas, that is first condition. Okay, after that here is the pressure is very low. The pressure is increased and the volume of a gas decrease. All you know that pressure is increase, here is pressure this value, and here pressure is this. That means ki here is your pressure rise and here volume is your decrease. Okay, that is curve A and B. At point B, after that here this point the liquefaction of gas is started. Here the volume is your decrease rapidly from B to C. Okay, volume decrease किया from B to C because liquid has a much less volume as compared to a gas. After that point this is, that is a liquefaction is complete. Here means कि इस between the process में क्या हुआ, यहाँ पे गैस था, गैस से लिक्विफिकेशन के प्रोसेस में आ गया फ्रॉम बी पॉइंट्स. आफ्टर दैट फ्रॉम बी टू सी, हियर द सी पॉइंट इज टोटली कंप्लीट फॉर लिक्विफिकेशन प्रोसेस, एंड द इंक्रीज प्रेशर हैज़ वेरी लिटिल अफेक्ट अपॉन द वॉल्यूम, बिकॉज जब हमारे पास वॉल्यूम ऑफ गैस है वो लिक्विड्स में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है तो वहाँ पे बहुत कम टेंडेंसी है फॉर इट्स अ कंप्रेसिबल. So here the increase of pressure is very little effect on this volume of the liquids because they have totally very totally is completed from gases to liquids. So here the very less tendency to about it's the compressible. After that from C point they give the street curve, that is CD is obtained by applying the high pressure. After that the temperature is increased from this 9, that is 13.1 degrees Celsius. Similarly for second case 21.5 degrees Celsius. Same process हुआ E to F, F to G and G to H. So here the increased temperature from 30.1 degrees Celsius to 21.5 degrees Celsius. Again obtain your horizontal portion, that is a very little difference between these two. Okay, after that it reduced a smaller the point, that is your P. After that the third curve है, that is your point P, and this point P is P as a temperature of a critical temperature because मीन्स कि इसके बाद हमारे पास जाता है वो लिक्विफिकेशन प्रोसेस, दैट इज़ नॉट बी प्रोसीड. सो यहाँ इसके बाद हमारे पास कोई भी ऐसा कंडीशन नहीं देखने को मिला जिसमें पहले हमारे पास गैसेस से लिक्विड्स में पॉइंट्स में आया लिक्विफिकेशन की प्रोसेस के लिए फ्रॉम ए टू बी, ई टू एफ, या फिर हमारे पास था इस पॉइंट पी के ऊपर. बट जो हमारे पास रेड कर्व है दैट इज़ बी फाइनली एज अ लिक्विड्स. So that is 30.98 degrees Celsius, that is a final critical temperature of the gas. Similarly in this, that is your critical volume, and in same of critical pressure from this point at the critical temperature. So this is about the critical temperature, and that is given by the Andrew scientist. Next is the difference between the vapors and gas. So simply the difference between the vapor and gas above the critical temperature. Above the critical temperature it gas, but below the critical temperature it's a vapor. Okay, the difference between the gas and vapor has already explained, that is you all know about so what's the gas and what's the vapor. But in terms of critical temperature, a gas can be liquefied below the critical temperature by applying pressure. So the above critical temperature is a gas, but below the critical temperature it's a vapors. Okay, and the importance of critical temperature, what about the information by the critical temperature? Critical temperature gives about the gases. So the critical temperature of gas is a measure of the strength of the intermolecular forces of attraction. कि in gas of molecules how much the strength of the intermolecular forces. So that's why the importance of critical temperature is given about the strength of intermolecular forces of attraction of the gas. Weaker the intermolecular forces and the more difficult to liquefaction, and hence the lower would be its a critical temperature of the gas. That means कि higher the intermolecular forces of attraction, so you can be convert it from gases to liquids. So that is a must be importance कि for the liquefaction process, the molecule gases have a very strong intermolecular forces of attraction, either the weak. So the intermolecular forces is either the weak, so it's very difficulty for the gas to convert into liquefaction. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so student, that is the next section, that is a liquid state after the completion of gas state. Okay, because in this state of matter the unit I am already explained in the starting, will be discuss about the gases and liquids. So that is liquid state is sorry gas state, that is be completed, and now will be continue with the liquid state second section. So all you know about the liquid, that is be the intermediate state, that is between the solid and gaseous form. Okay, and the behavior of liquid, like a characteristic, that is a definite volume, definite shape, and its incompressibility, diffusibility, evaporation, surface tension, these all the properties be given by a liquid, and this property can be explained on the basis it's a kinetic molecular theory of a liquids. Okay, so have some postulates of kinetic molecular theory of a liquids. That is a kinetic molecular theory of liquids, that is given some postulates. That is, first, a liquid is made up of molecules. The molecules of liquids are quite closer together. The intermolecular forces of attraction in liquids are quite large, and the molecules of a liquids are in a state of constant rapid motion. Liquid is made up of molecules. Okay, second point, the molecules of liquids are close together, Okay, third point, the intermolecular forces of attraction in liquid are quite large. Intermolecular forces of attraction in a liquids are quite large, and the molecules of a liquids are in a state of constant rapidly motion. जो भी मॉलिक्यूल्स रहेंगे इन द लिक्विड्स, दैट इज स्टेट ऑफ कांस्टेंट विद अ रैपिडली मोशन, एंड द एवरेज काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ अ लिक्विड इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू देयर एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर. जो भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स रहेगी, दैट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू इट्स अ टेम्परेचर. Next is about the properties of liquid. So all you know about the properties of liquid, that is generally shape, volume, density, compressibility and diffusion. So liquids have a no definite shape. Liquids की कोई definite shape नहीं होती. जिस भी container vessels में उसको place किया जाता है, वो उसी का वहाँ पे as a shape को contain या उस shape को वहाँ पे adopt करता है. Volume, the liquids have a definite volume, and density, liquids have much higher density as compared to the gases, and compressibility, the liquids are much less compressible than the gases, all you know about. And diffusion, liquids diffuse likely gas, but diffusion is much slower because liquids have a quite close together and they undergo much large number of collision with the each other. Okay, next is about the vapor pressure. So what is the vapor pressure? So maybe you all know about what's the vapor pressure. Okay, by the liquid evaporations to make some type kind of pressure, and that term is used as a vapor pressure. Okay, so student, that is about the statement of vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of a liquids at any temperature may be defined as the pressure exerted by the vapors. Vapor pressure is what that is liquid at any temperature. Vapor pressure of liquid at any temperature may be defined as the pressure is exerted by vapor present above the liquids in equilibrium with the liquids at that temperature, we call as a vapor pressure. Again explain about the vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of liquids का जो vapor pressure है at any temperatures के ऊपर, and this pressure is exerted, जो ये pressure बनता है that is pressure exerted by the vapor, and these vapor are present above the liquids in equilibrium. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो वेपर प्रेशर है वो किस में है, इन इक्विलिब्रियम फ्रॉम इवेपोरेशन एंड कंडेंसेशन. So all you know about the evaporation ki when the liquid is or boils at that evaporation boiled at a vapor medium here, that is we continually evaporate. So during this evaporation of these gases these liquid drops are in the terms of vapor that can be come back to strike on the liquids which we come back in liquids, and that is the condensation process. Okay, so that is the equilibrium between the evaporation and condensation, and that is be the state of a make a vapor pressure. So liquid in equilibrium with the liquid at that temperature, this is about the vapor pressure. So here first is the process under the evaporation, that is cooling caused by the evaporation. When a liquids evaporate, the more energetic molecules leave the liquids and the average kinetic energy of the remaining liquid is decreased, hence the temperature will be falls. तो यहाँ पे एवरेज काइनेटिक ऑफ एनर्जी लिक्विड्स क्या कर रहा है, डिक्रीज कर रहा है, मीन्स कि टेम्परेचर क्या कर रहा है वहाँ पे फॉल्स कर रहा है. सेकेंड दैट इज द some factor that is affected its vapor pressure. So first is the nature of gas and second one is the effect of temperature. So nature of liquids, that is about ki if the intermolecular forces of attraction the liquid is weak, that means ki the liquids can easily will leave the liquids and come into the vapor phase. Okay, so remember that that is factor is affect the vapor pressure, that is nature of liquids. Okay, that is a weak intermolecular forces of attraction. Okay, and higher it's a vapor pressure. Second is the effect of temperature. So higher the temperature and the greater the vapor pressure. All you know about when the higher the temperature and vapor pressure is your high. So these are the two factor main that is affect it's a vapor pressure.